Hi, it's Steve from Bosch. I'm here with Kelvin Power Tools and I'm holding in my hands the GKS 18V-57 circular saw. This is the guide rail compatible circular saw, runs on both Bosch's FSN system and the Festool system. But this saw is also available non-guide rail compatible. That would be the GKS 18V-57. It cuts to a depth of 57 millimeters on the 90 degrees, but it also has a bevel cut of 39mm at 45 degrees. As I said, it's the 18 volt platform, so it will run either on the Bosch Pro Core batteries or on their Cool Pack batteries.